have a big box here full of skincare products, you guys. This box is full of Korean skincare products, and I'm about to unbox it with you guys. Let me open up the package whilst I just with you guys. So in case you guys don't know, I'm a YesStyle influencer. So YesStyle is a website where you can find your favorite skincare product, mostly Korean skincare products on there. So all the brands that you love are on YesStyle. They really package this thing very well. Yeah. Woo! So I'm about to show you guys everything. I bought these two with my money, and then I picked this one because I'm a YesStyle influencer. This first one is a sunscreen. Hey, go. Okay, this is the Hatamougi Sunscreen. Can you guys see? I hope you guys can see. Yeah, it's the Hatamougi Sunscreen SPF 50 plus. And listen, I've not used the sunscreen, so I can't say much about it, but from the reviews that I've seen online, people say it stings the eye a bit, so when using it you have to make sure you don't take it close to your eye. But I'm yet to test it out to see if that's actually true or false. Okay, I got this sunscreen because it's big. You can see it's very big, and the price was also so cool. Hey, but it's not full. It's actually anyway, but it's big. Yeah, hence my reason for getting the Hatamougi sunscreen. And my girl Anastasia Itwa, she doesn't know me, but she's my girl. I watch her videos a lot. She does skincare videos and also wife diary videos here on YouTube. I started watching that girl way back when she started doing YouTube, but I've never commented on her videos before. Have I not? I don't know, maybe I have commented on her videos before with my old YouTube account. I don't know, but yeah, I'm a silent watcher. I'm a silent watcher, but I love her so much. Her reviews are so honest. When she recommends a skincare product, she only recommends skincare products that she uses on her skin. She wouldn't recommend something that she hasn't used before. And also Eniola, I love Eniola so much. She currently lives in Canada, but she used to live in Nigeria when I started watching her. And hey, if you see her skin, if you see Eniola's skin, and Anastasia as well, if you see their skin, nobody will tell you to start taking skincare seriously. Use normal products, and listen, your natural complexion is gonna come out first. Because you use like lightening product and all, you will get dark. You will get dark because your skin has to heal. Hey, look at me talking about skincare like I'm a pro. I'm not a pro. I'm just talking based on what I've learned from these ladies here on YouTube specifically. And look at my skin now. My skin is not the best, but it is way better as compared to what it was or what it looked like in 2023. I'm so happy I took the bold step to stop using lightening products. I also got the Corsx moisturizer. Snail, this is the advanced snail motion. Corsx advanced snail 91 all-in-one cream. I've always wanted to try this moisturizer. That's why I got it. I have always wanted to try it. So I was very happy when it was beautiful. So the product I picked for free because I'm a YesStyle influencer is the Haruharu Wonder. I don't know if I've mentioned this, but I've never used any of these products before. The Hatamougi Sunscreen I've not used before. The Advanced Nail Motion Moisturizer I've not used before either. Same with the Haruharu Wonder. I have not used it before. Oh, the packaging is so pretty. This one is the Haruharu Wonder Centella 5% niacinamide radiance gel cream. Haruharu Wonder 5% niacinamide radiance gel cream. Let's see what it looks like. Hey, it comes with, I think this is the applicator. Oh, look at that. It looks like an ice cream bottle. Hey, bottle. Sorry. Look. Oh, see, it looks just like an ice cream bottle. I said, with a Scoopy ice cream. Oh, it's sealed. Okay, it's sealed. So this is the gel cream, and this one is the centella. This one is the Haruharu Wonder Centella 4% TXA dark spot go away serum. Okay, I still have some dark spots that I want to clear. I really want to start taking good care of my skin, so this is the dark spot go away serum. I can't wait to try all of these products. So yeah, that's all from Style. I've been using geisha black soap to cleanse my face every morning and evening, but because I've decided to go back to taking my skin seriously again this year, I am going to get a face wash. I don't know if I'll be getting the simple face wash or I will be getting another face wash, but I think I will still stick to my simple face wash. I'm super excited to start using all these skincare products to see the changes that my skin will go through. If it works for me, you guys are going to see it, and if it doesn't work for me too, you guys will see it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you next time. Cheers to happy healthy skin. Bye. Peace.